Best ways to save using Monzo Roundups? Ever wonder how to make saving money feel less like a chore and more like a happy accident? For me, when I first started using Monzo, one of the features that genuinely excited me was the Roundups function. It sounded so simple. Every time I spent money on my card, Monzo would automatically round up the change to the nearest whole pound and pop that spare change into a dedicated pot. I quickly realized this was a fantastic, low-effort way to build up savings without even noticing it. But just turning it on is only the first step. Over time, I developed a few strategies to maximize the benefit of this feature, turning those random pence into meaningful amounts. My top 3 Monzo Roundup strategies. 1. The everyday spending turbocharge. Initially, I linked the roundups to a general savings pot, which was okay. But I noticed that some months, my spending was low, and the savings were minimal. To really turbocharge this, I started ensuring my Monzo card was my primary card for all small, everyday purchases. Think your morning coffee, a quick grocery run, or a bus ticket. These low-value transactions generate the biggest roundups relative to the initial purchase price. A $1.20 coffee gives you 80p in savings, which is a 66% savings rate on the change. The goal: maximize transaction frequency, especially for small amounts. My tip: use Monzo for everything under $10. 2. The dedicated gold pot. Using the roundups for a vague savings pot felt a bit aimless. The moment I started allocating the roundups to a specific, fun savings goal, like a weekend trip or a new gadget, the savings felt more tangible. Monzo lets you easily link roundups to any pot. My experience: I created a holiday fund pot. Seeing the balance increase automatically, fueled by my daily spending, made the saving process feel less restrictive. It was like I was paying for my holiday every time I bought something. The psychological impact of seeing a fun pot grow is a huge motivator. The result: I hit my $300 weekend trip goal far faster than I expected, purely from spare change. 3. The boosted weekend strategy. While roundups are generally passive, I added a slight manual tweak for maximum impact. Monzo offers a feature called 10x roundups. This multiplies your roundup amount by 10. So, an 80p roundup becomes $8. I found having this on all the time was too aggressive and could occasionally cause an unexpected dip in my main balance. My compromise: I adopted the weekend boost strategy. I would manually turn on the 10x multiplier on Friday evening and turn it off again on Monday morning. Weekends are when I tend to make more non-essential, varied purchases: dinner out, drinks, activity tickets. This temporary turbo boost during peak spending times significantly accelerated my savings without impacting my crucial mid-week budget too much. The real power of Monzo Roundups is the automation. By setting up these rules, I've taken the decision-making out of saving. It's a system that works in the background, making me a saver without having to constantly think about budgeting or transfers. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it method that yields genuine, compounding results. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.